Hey guys, welcome back to Money is Blind podcast. I'm your host Prasoon. I just watched a TED video which was published about 6 hours ago. I just watched it like 15 minutes ago, and this talk was by Thomas. He's the CEO of GitHub. If you know GitHub, that's well and good. If you don't know GitHub, it is the most popular version control system where you can store your code. There are repositories and folders, and you can do sharing, work with team. You can do all kind of thing with GitHub. Its competitor is Bitbucket. So GitHub was acquired by Microsoft, and the video that I just watched now, it was about AI and how AI can make you a developer. Even if you don't know how to code, even if you get frightened by just thinking about codes, you can use the language, the only language that you know. If it is English or if it is any other language, you can use that language and build software. You can write code with the language that you know using AI, and that's what the content of the video that I watched. And he said from 2020 to 2024, GitHub has launched 3 models. The first model, they used AI to help developers and coders to correct the code, just as a co-pilot, to give suggestions, to autofill code. That was the first version that they did. In the second version of the co-pilot that they built, GitHub used AI to a higher level. So here they were able to chat with a bot which was present in their code editor, and they could ask the chatbot things about what they were coding, its suggestions, corrections. In the first version, that was not available. So that's what they introduced in the second version, on how AI can help human beings or non-developers to become developers. And in the third version, and this thing, it's a beta product. It's not launched yet, and they're calling it the Copilot Workspace. There is no code editor at all. You can ask AI or Copilot what you want in English or any other language that you want, and it'll create the code for you, and you can test it instantly. So you can create apps if you have a software idea in your head, and if you are hesitant about building it, you can do it right now. Even if you don't know how to code, even if you don't want to hire developers or pay big money to developers to do the job for you, to convert the idea in your head into a minimal viable product, you will be able to do it. So you can find that video by going to YouTube or visiting TED.com. This video that I'm talking about, it was published today, and today is 24th of May 2024. So go check it out. I know I've been hyping a lot about AI, but it has made my life easier as a blind entrepreneur. Even today I use ChatGPT and its latest model, GPT-4o, to help my mobile developer to build the mobile apps for the next version of Tofudy. and he was impressed. He is not an AI guy, he's not an AI enthusiast, and he asked me whether I'm learning development or not. So, for all the problems that we have been facing with respect to coding and development and software development, this is a solution that even blind or visually impaired entrepreneurs can use. So definitely check it out. You have a weekend coming. All of us have a weekend coming, and I wish you a wonderful weekend ahead. It's raining here, and it's going to be 2 busy days for me. Right, I'll keep you guys updated next week. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.